Multicultural diversity in workplace for the tourism and hospitality. The tourism and hospitality industry brings people from different cultures together, making diversity an essential part of its success. This course explores the importance of multicultural diversity in the workplace, highlighting how cultural difference impact guest experience, teamwork, and the business operations. We will learn how to embrace diversity, overcome challenges, and create an exclusive environment that enhance customer satisfactions in workplace harmony. By understanding and respecting different cultures, we can improve service quality and contributes to a more welcoming and globally competitive industries. Hello po, good day. I am Al Mendoza Riparip, a third-year student taking the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management at Camarines Sur Polytechnic College. I'm doing this interview for my course, which is Multicultural Diversity in the Workplace for Tourism and Hospitality Management. Today, I am with Miss Melissa Riparip. She has worked in hotel for 3 years as a housekeeping, study hotel and restaurant management at USAN. And thank you for joining me, Miss Melissa. Now he will share this or his experience with us. So let's get started.
Parit, kasalukuyang nagtatrabaho dito sa M Resort and Hotel Kuala Lumpur dito sa Malaysia bilang housekeeping. Thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here today and share my thoughts on the importance of learning multicultural diversity in the workplace for the hospitality industry.
Thank you po. So here are my questions. What are the highlights in working in a multicultural diversity environment?
Yan, nagkaroon ako ng learning opportunity tulad ng iba't ibang lingwahe mula sa aking iba't ibang lahing katrabaho. Lumawak ang pangunawa ko when it comes to customer service.
Okay. Next question. Can you name a specific incident and share how it was resolved?
So, yun yung guest nag-complain about sa request niyang towel na maliit yung naibigay ko. So, ang ginawa ko, humingi ako ng paumanhin at pinalitan na lang yung towel.
Okay po. Then, what do you think are the advantage and disadvantage of working in a multicultural diverse environment?
Nagkaroon ako ng career growth of awareness sa kultura nila. Nahirapan ako sa kanilang lingwahe. So, yun.
Okay po. What are the nationalities of your co-workers or of your boss?
So, iba-iba, madami. May Kenya, may taga-Indonesian, Moroccan, Indian. Pero ang boss ko ay Chinese, si Mr. Liam.
Okay po. And next question. Can you give some example of the difference between Philippine culture and the culture in your workplace or your country?
Ang mga Chinese mabilis magdesisyon, no? Habang ang mga Pilipino ay harmonious relationship tayo, di ba? Tsaka flexibility. Flexible.
Yes po. Numbers. Can you cite some unforgettable or an extraordinary experience related to the culture or culture shock during your first few months in that country?
Iba ang pagtrato sa amin ng boss namin. Kumbaga, dahil iba-iba yung kultura, iba-iba yung lahi. So, iba-ibang lahi, iba-ibang kultura. So, yung boss namin, nakakaintindi. So, kung ano yung lahi mo, kunyari ko Pilipino, so iba yung pagtrato nila sa amin ng boss namin. Iba rin yung trato ng boss namin sa ibang lahi.
Yes.
Ayun.
So, what are the common challenges you face in terms of multicultural diversity in your workplace?
Una ay ang lingwahe. Then yung mataas na expectation ng mga Chinese at sa environment.
How did you overcome these challenges?
Sa pagiging open-minded sa bagong experience, pakikibagay at pag-unawa sa work culture nila, at higit sa lahat, pasensya, patience. Yeah.
Patience. So, that's all my question. And thank you for joining me here today to be my interviewer. So, have a good day po. Thank you for joining.
Okay, thank you. Thank you then.
Bye-bye po.